EZPZ English.
Hey friends, welcome to EZPZ English. I'm Jake. Today we talk about something very important. Many people understand English well. They watch movies, listen to songs, and watch YouTube videos in English. But when they try to speak, it feels very hard. Their brain knows the words, but the mouth feels stuck. Have you ever felt this way? I have. You are not alone. Today, we will share ways to help you start speaking English. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Are you ready? Let's go.
Hello, everyone. I'm Emma. Yes, it is normal to feel nervous when you speak English. Speaking is not the same as understanding. Speaking takes practice. But don't worry. We will give you easy and fun tips. You can do this at home. You can do this alone. No stress. Let's start our journey to speak English with confidence. First, let's understand why it is hard to speak. Listening and speaking use different skills. When you listen, your brain only needs to understand the sounds and words. You can take your time. But speaking needs fast thinking and quick mouth movements. Your brain sends messages to your mouth very fast. If your mouth is not used to it, it feels hard.
Yes, it is like riding a bike. You can watch bike videos and learn the rules. But when you try to ride, your body needs time to learn. Your legs and balance must work together. Speaking English is the same. Your brain knows the words, but your mouth and tongue need practice.
Also, many people are afraid to make mistakes. They think they must speak perfectly, so they stay quiet. But silence does not help. Making mistakes is part of learning. When you speak, mistakes help you get better.
That's right. Your brain is ready to speak English. Your mouth just needs more practice and confidence. The more you speak, the easier it gets. Now let's talk about shadowing. Shadowing is a fun way to practice speaking. You listen to a sentence and then say it out loud right after, like copying a friend's voice. It is like playing a game. Pick a short video or audio. It can be a cartoon, a movie, or a simple conversation. Listen to one sentence. Pause the video. Then say the sentence out loud. Try to copy the sounds and feeling. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Just keep going. When I started shadowing, I copied funny cartoons. I said the same sentence many times until I felt comfortable. It was fun and helped me a lot.
Yes, you can also record yourself. Listening to your voice helps you see your progress. It feels strange at first, but it is very useful. You learn how to speak clearly and confidently. Try shadowing every day. Just 5 or 10 minutes. It helps your mouth and brain work together. Talking to yourself is a simple and powerful practice. You can do it anytime and anywhere. Say what you are doing or what you see. For example, in the morning, say, I am waking up. When you eat, say, I am eating breakfast. When you walk, say, I see a tree. This helps your brain think in English and your mouth speak.
I do this too. I talk to myself when I cook or clean. I tell my dog what I'm doing. It feels fun and easy. No one is listening, so you can try new words and phrases. Talking to yourself also helps you build confidence. When you get used to hearing your own voice in English, you will feel ready to speak to others. Many people translate from their language to English in their heads. This takes time and makes speaking slow. A better way is to think in English directly. Start small. Think with one word or short phrases. For example, when you see a cup, think cup. When you want to say, I am hungry, think hungry first. Then add, I am hungry.
You can also name things around you. Look at your phone, chair, window, and say their names in English. This trains your brain to think in English naturally. Thinking in English helps your speaking become faster and easier. It's like training your brain to speak English automatically. Learning words is also good, but learning whole phrases is better. Phrases help you speak quickly and sound natural. For example, learn "How are you?" instead of just "How are you?" Learn "I'm tired, let's go," or "What's up?" These are used every day by English speakers.
Yes, when someone asks, "How are you?" don't just say fine. Try, "I'm good, thank you," or "I'm doing well." It sounds more natural. Learning phrases helps you speak English like a native speaker. You don't need to think about grammar rules every time. The phrase is ready to use. The most important tip is to make mistakes. Don't be afraid. Mistakes are good. They mean you are trying. If you never make mistakes, it means you are not speaking enough. Speak boldly. Say your ideas. It is okay to say something wrong. People will understand and help you.
Even native speakers make mistakes. They learn every day. When you make mistakes, you learn faster. One time, I said "I have hungry" instead of "I am hungry." My friend corrected me, and I never forgot the right way.
Laugh at your mistakes. Learning English is fun. The more you speak, the better you get.
Okay, let's take a quick break and review what we've learned so far.
Yeah, we've shared 5 awesome tips to help you start speaking English with confidence.
Tip 1. Shadowing. Listen and repeat like a copycat. It's great for pronunciation and rhythm. Tip 2. Talk to yourself. Describe your actions out loud. It's easy and powerful. Tip 3. Think in English, don't translate. Just think in simple English words or phrases. Tip 4. Learn phrases. Use ready-made chunks like "I'm good" or "What's up?" Tip 5. Make mistakes. Don't be afraid. Mistakes mean you're learning.
These tips are simple, but very effective. If you use even 1 or 2 every day, your speaking will improve fast.
Exactly. Speaking English is not about being perfect. It's about trying, practicing, and having fun along the way.
Now let's put everything together into a daily practice plan. You don't need a teacher. You just need 10 minutes and a little motivation.
Let's make a daily plan to help you speak better. Pick a short video or audio clip. Shadow 1 or 2 sentences. Talk to yourself about your day. Think in English with simple words. Learn 1 new phrase and say it 3 times. Record your voice and listen.
Just 10 minutes a day. That is enough. Do what you like. Be patient and consistent.
After 1 week, you will feel more confident. After 1 month, speaking will be easier. After 3 months, you will surprise yourself.
You understand English. That is great. Now it is time to speak. Step by step. Don't give up.
It does not need to be perfect. Just try. Speak with your heart.
Write in the comments 1 phrase you will say today. That is your first step.
Like, subscribe and share this video. We are cheering for you.
This is EZPZ English. Let's speak English together.
See you next time. Bye.